Once, in the teaching grounds of a lovely forest clad with towering banyan trees, the Buddha gathered his disciples for a profound teaching. The sun poured gentle light through the dense foliage. Patterns of light and shade dappled the earth, and the serene stillness of the forest enveloped them all. The Buddha stood beside a grand banyan tree, its gnarled roots sprawled above the surface, and its mighty branches reaching across like great arms, and began his discourse. Behold the mighty banyan tree. It appears to us as a single entity, strong and independent. But observe its roots, myriad and entwining, delving deep into the earth. It is through these roots that the banyan finds nourishment, drawing sustenance from the soil, from the fallen leaves that came before it, from the rains above, and from the earth below. In the same way, the Buddha continued, all beings are deeply interconnected. Just as the roots of the banyan are hidden yet crucial, the actions, thoughts, and conditions of one affect the whole. One life supports many others, and many others sustain one. Thus, just like the banyan, in our separateness, we are truly one. One disciple asked, Venerable One, does this mean that our actions have power over the lives of others? The Buddha nodded, his gaze steady and compassionate. Indeed, just as the roots of the banyan seek water during a drought to sustain the whole tree, your thoughts, words, and deeds perpetuate a network of cause and effect that ripple across existence. Therefore, cultivate compassion, understanding, and right action, for these are the waters that nourish the tree of life. The disciples reflected deeply upon his words, understanding the nature of karma and the profound connection between themselves and all beings. The Buddha concluded, just as the banyan spreads wide and deep, let your awareness encompass the web of interdependence, and you will see the tapestry of life in its magnificent fullness. All teachings, all paths align in this truth. To see the world whole and undivided is to know peace and wisdom of the heart. Embrace this unity, and you shall walk the path of enlightenment. The gentle rustling of leaves and the calls of distant creatures punctuated the silence that followed, reflecting the harmony within the surrounding forest, a harmony the disciples felt within themselves, enriched by the Buddha's insightful teachings. As a great master once said, our lives are woven together in a single garment of destiny.